everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Brianna. So today I filmed this fall burgundy smoky eye look. Just a disclaimer, in this video my daughter came in. I started out as doing it as a talk through, and then she came in, and then I switched over to a voiceover, so just disregard her and her curls, her matted up curls, because we didn't do her hair today. But yes, I won't always have her in my videos, but today we just had to roll with it, hashtag mom life. But yes, I focused on just the eyes today. I'll do full faces in different tutorials, but I've just really been loving these colors every year for fall. The plums, the deeps, reds, and the dark colors on my lips and eyes, especially smoky eye look. So it's definitely my thing when it comes fall/winter. So I thought this look would be fun. I did it the other day and I wanted to recreate it on my channel, and I felt like it would be perfect for fall. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look right here on my eyes, just keep watching. So I am picking up the color Buns from the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, the OG one, by the way, and I'm just going to put that in my crease, and I'm going to work that back and forth and up towards my brow bone. Now you can pretty much lay this color down any way you want, and it can be a little bit sloppy because we're going to cover up most of this color. I'm just using it as a transition shade. This is the only color that you're going to work up towards the brow bone, not all the way. You don't want it touching your brows, but just up towards the brow bone in that area. You can see where I'm laying down the color in mine. So we're just moving the color back and forth in my crease. I usually do a little bit of a circular motion as well, and you can do that also. Like I said, pretty much lay it down how you want and just move it back and forth in your crease. And that's what I'm doing right here. London is here to join me as always. Then I'm going to go into the palette and I'm going to pick up the color Roxanne. And I'm going to put that in my crease, but I'm going to focus that just in my crease. I'm not going to take it up towards my brow bone like I did with Buns. So just focus Roxanne in the crease, and that's it. And you're pretty much deepening up Buns in the crease area, and you want Buns to be peeking through just a tiny bit above Roxanne where you're putting Roxanne in the crease. And I'm just taking a little bit more of that color, and I'm going to move on to the other side and do the exact same thing. Then I'm taking a clean blending brush. I believe this one's from Urban Decay. I don't really call out or name the brushes that I'm using, so my bad, but I believe this one's from Urban Decay, and I'm just taking a clean blending brush and just blending out the edges of what I've already done and just kind of going over it and making it look a little more seamless. Then I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take the color Jax. It's the Cranberry Deep Plum shade. I'm actually going to pick it up, and show the camera right now the color I'm talking about. And it's actually right in between Buns and Roxanne. So those three colors are side by side in the palette, and I just kind of, they're not in order, but those three are together, the ones that I used on my eye for this. But I'm gonna take Jax, and I'm going to deepen up Roxanne in my crease, and then bring Jax down towards the lid area. You can be not as precise when you're going down towards the lid area because that will get covered up by a lid shade, but you do want to focus on deepening up Roxanne with Jax in the crease area. And we're just going to continue to deepen up Roxanne using Jax. And then I'm going to take Jax and I'm going to bring it downward on my lid like I mentioned I was going to do before. And I'm kind of going on the inner corner of my lid and the outer corner of my lid and bringing that color down. All we're doing by layering these colors and having like the top one peek through is just producing a really pretty like gradient ombre effect on the lid. So that it looks seamless and that it kind of just goes from light to dark. Then I'm taking a shader brush and I'm going in with the color Shade in the Colourpop Shayla Perception palette. I switched palettes on you. So I'm using that color Shade and I'm going in on my lid, and I'm going to take that color and I'm going to bring it up towards the crease color. Now you don't want to cover the entire crease all the way, but you do want to bring it up towards the crease color. So we're going a different direction from where you were going with the last color. We were bringing that one down. You're going to bring this one on the lid and up towards the crease. And like I said, don't cover it up. Don't cover up the crease, but you want to kind of meet where you put Jax and Roxanne, and just layer that on top of your lid. And then we're going to go in next with a brush and blend that out, but I'm getting ahead of myself. But I'm doing the same thing on the other eye, just laying it on the lid and bringing it up towards the crease where we put the other two colors. And I'm just adding a little more of the color shade just to add a little more depth. I want that color to be as deep as possible as I can make it. Now I'm taking the blending brush that I used to lay down the color Buns, our very first color, our transition color, and I'm blending out the edges of Buns and all the colors that I've laid on my lid so far. And I'm just kind of making everything look a little more seamless and making sure that there's no harsh lines anywhere. I just want to kind of blend out also the crease color where the crease color met the lid color, excuse me, and make sure that that all looks seamless as well. Now I'm just taking an eyeliner. Mine is from Tarte. It's a gel eyeliner, and I'm just doing a wing liner. I do smoke this wing liner out. Now you don't have to do a wing liner with this look, especially because it's such a deep smoky eye. So you can skip that if you want and just pop on some lashes and you would be good to go. But I did add a wing liner for my look, and then I just smoked it out with the color Shade and then the black color from the palette as well, and gave it more of like a smoky look. You're not really going to see the liner with this type of look, but I did want to add it for mine. I also took the color Shade that we used on the lid and smoked out my bottom lash line. I forgot to include it in the video when I did that, so I did want to mention it. I know I mentioned it at the end, but I did smoke out my lower lash line with that color as well. So that's pretty much it. Then I move on to doing my foundation and concealer and all that off camera. Okay guys, so this is the final look. The only thing that I forgot to include in my video was me doing my lower lash line, and I just put the shades that I had on, two of the shades mainly on my lid, on my lower lash line, and smoked it out, and that was it. That was the only thing I forgot to do. If you're interested in knowing any other things that I have on my face, the foundation I use, the concealer, the lip color I'm wearing, it'll all be listed in the description box below, so definitely check that out if you're interested about that. But yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's super simple in my opinion. It's super easy, beautiful smoky eye for fall. It's really easy to do, I promise you that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, comment, any questions or anything you want to say down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.